Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it? So first of all, you have to sign in into your Discord account. At the same time, sign in into your Spotify account. Then open your Discord and click on user settings and click on connections, and from this list search Spotify. Once you get it, click on Spotify and now click on agree. And here we can see my Spotify has been connected to my Discord, and if you want to display on profile, then you have to turn on this option. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.